Hi, this is Anna. Welcome back to my channel. Today I would like to share with you this journal. It's already listed at my Etsy shop. So this journal is made with a notepad cover that I just collaged on, and I also embellished it with some fabric, embroidered fabric and buttons on front and this bird, but that was original, everything here. Then I also added paper at the back to cover the print. So the journal is almost 9 inches tall, 5.5 wide, and then 2 inches for the spine. Tassel attachment, as you can see. And it comes with a tassel, all sorts of things, including this lace here. And then it also comes with a charm. Tim Holtz chipboard, cute flower charm connector with rhinestones and couple pearls and glass bead. And this is also detachable, so you can remove it and attach it somewhere else. So really pretty. It ties with Sari silk in this beautiful green color. So here's the front cover. It has 4 signatures. Here is this book belongs to stamped on a piece of paper and glued. This is the cover, the original cover. And 4 signatures, some trims. Here's some cheesecloth that's actually dyed. Vintage book pages. I was trying to keep it in this rustic color, so there's a lot of brown. This is these are cutouts. They're supposed to look like mushrooms, so that's mushroom, and so some collaged with book page and also stitched. So it's forest, nature. This is why you see trees and stuff. This is such a beautiful page with this birdhouse. Coffee dyed paper. Here's junk mail envelope with some burlap and lace, and window on the other side. Some nice sentiments you can read. More book pages. This, I don't know what this is, quite frankly. It came in some, with some ephemera, so I'm not sure. Here is a sticker and book page, little collage, piece of paper that you can use somewhere in a journal. And here's this glassine paper I was talking about in previous videos, so you can use it somehow. Middle of the first signature, here's this embroidered fabric. I lost my paper clip, but anyways, paper. Then this is just my measurements for some journal. Here's a tag with burlap and a couple nice pieces of paper. And then on this side it says notes and date. And here is tag, that's a sticker. And this I made with index card. It's this ribbon I was also showing, and the yarn that I was also showing that I got at Hobby Lobby. Okay, clip it there. I'll find that paper clip eventually. But on this side I have handmade tag that's laminated. As you can see, it's cardstock paper, and then another piece of cardstock paper, book page, and this is Tim Holtz Ephemera, and here's this yarn. That's the other side of the junk mail envelope. More space to journal. This paper has some print on it, really pretty. So as you can see here, I collaged, you can see this tag on the side here. I collaged it with sticker and other things. And here again on this side I have another sticker. It's coffee dyed paper, lined paper to journal on. Beautiful forest, very organic. That's paper and low lace. And this is more ephemera. Can read later. Envelope with some extra paper to journal on, stamped. There's the paper clip. So we were here. Another coffee dyed paper. This is the packaging from the kind of like crackers. I don't know if you're familiar, but I like these. I just glued the two pieces together to have a pocket. And there's a piece of paper in there, lined, so you can journal on there. Some pretty book pages. This is dark green with gold. This is another lined piece of paper to journal on. Behind this ribbon, extra book page, and another card. This is sprayed doily with paint, middle. This tax pad I made with the side of the ribbon, this thing, one of these things, whatever you call these pieces, and then I just put book page around it, and then I glued it at the back. There's brown paper underneath it. I also inked it with Inca Gold in, I believe, old silver color is the name of that particular color. It's a sticker on front, and there is another quote. More birds. Here's the other side of this paper. This is a cluster of things with burlap ribbon. So it comes to the other side, so this can also be a tuck spot. That's the other side of the envelope. Here's flower stamp. Middle of the journal, cluster of things, burlap. This is some chocolate wrap, and then lace. This is coffee dye paper. This is, I don't even know what this is. This is some, it looks like maybe from furniture or something. Here's the embellishment with a sticker. Dragonfly here. Lined paper. Birds on here. Another flip. This is also paint. This is ephemera and piece of paper. In this glassine bag. The glassine bag is old, yellowed, as you can see. This is a sticker from the sticker book I was showing you. Middle of the signature with a bird. And then here I have a cluster of things that I added this eyelet to, and I added this tag. I don't know, it's fabric tag. I don't know if it's canvas or I'm not sure. So this beautiful page, look at this page, it's so pretty. Here again is this paint. That is from the album, the page from the album that I was showing. So it has two pockets, so you can put two pictures, front and back. So you can have two pictures here. Right now I have ephemera. And the book page, just to show you that it's a pocket. And here's one of these cards I was also showing at some point. So this one is in the front pocket. So it's a flip and you can journal here. Envelope with stamped paper and index card. These are 3 tags that you can remove. This you can untie it and journal on these pieces, and then this one is laminated. It's a laminated tag with paint all over it. It's coffee dyed again. And last signature, some embellishment with a sticker, book page. That is a tuck spot, so you can include a picture or something in here. And on this side there's another one, and this is a tuck spot, and there's a tuck spot behind it too. So that's just a brown bag that I found and added in here. And then also here's this fabric, this embroidered fabric, coffee dyed paper. Look how beautiful, very fresh. This is book page. It's great for journaling. That is a flip. middle. This is a tag. The postcards came with this tag, so there was a print here, so I covered that with cheesecloth and paper and button, and I made it into a tag, a little rustic tag. And here are little rustic flowers, but you can also write on here also. This is a pocket. Little tags, and that is a cluster of things. You can journal underneath it. This can also be a tuck spot there, and it's butterfly lace. So this journal, look how beautiful this paper is. This journal is available for sale at my Etsy shop. If you follow the link, I hope you enjoyed this journal. Please subscribe to my channel if you'd like to see more journals coming, more journals that I make, and I'll see you soon. Bye bye.